Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer Dogecoin from Exmo to Kucoin in 2025. Whether you're looking to diversify your crypto holdings or just switch exchanges, this step-by-step tutorial will get you there safely and efficiently. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Exmo and Kucoin, and that you have some Dogecoin in your Exmo wallet. Also, double-check that you've enabled two-factor authentication on both platforms for added security. It's 2025, after all, and crypto hacks are no joke. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Log into your Exmo account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets, or Balance, section and find your Dogecoin holdings. Next, locate the Withdrawal option, usually under a Withdraw or Transfer Out tab. Click on that, and select Dogecoin from the list of available cryptocurrencies. Now, for Step 2, you'll need to enter the wallet address for your Kucoin account. To get this, quickly log into Kucoin, go to your Dogecoin wallet, and copy the deposit address. Be extra careful here. Paste it accurately into the Exmo withdrawal form to avoid any mix-ups. Also, don't forget to enter the amount you want to transfer, making sure it's above any minimum withdrawal limits, which might have changed by 2025. Step 3. Review the transaction details. Exmo will show you the network fees, estimated time, and any confirmation requirements. If everything looks good, confirm the withdrawal. You'll probably get an email or SMS verification, so keep an eye on that. Once approved, your Dogecoin will be sent to Kucoin, which could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. After the transfer, log back into Kucoin and check your Dogecoin balance in the Deposits section to confirm it arrived. If it doesn't show up right away, give it some time and maybe contact support if needed. A quick tip. Always be aware of the current blockchain fees for Dogecoin transfers, as they can fluctuate. And remember, crypto is volatile, so only transfer what you're comfortable with losing. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.